Welcome to the Bahamas. I'm here with Air Canada Vacations, where I'm experiencing two of the destinations that they fly to. Right now I'm in Nassau, staying at the iconic, the legendary Atlantis Resort, and I'm gonna give you guys a look at what it's like to stay here. Located on Paradise Island, Atlantis is a sprawling resort boasting 5 hotels, including the most recognizable Royal Towers. Each of the hotels fit into different price points and offer various amenities and room finishings. The resort itself is interconnected through each of the hotels and outdoor walkways. There's a long list of activities and experiences you can have here, including 5 miles of white sand beaches, 11 pools, luxury shopping, a casino, and a wide variety of dining options. One of its standout features are the many aquariums and lagoons housing various marine life found around its waters. The largest, called The Dig, is modeled after the lost city of Atlantis. Here, you'll make your way through a series of tunnels where you'll come across 9 different exhibits showcasing a variety of species, including jellyfish, moray eels, and even manta rays. Wander through at your own pace and come back as many times as you like. But probably the best and the most fun thing that you can do while you're here is to enjoy the water park. Well, that wraps up my time here in Nassau and Atlantis. I have to admit, this resort is next level. There is a huge variety of experiences, things to do. There really is something for the whole family here. Air Canada Vacations is partnered with all 5 hotels found at the resort, and they offer multiple flights throughout the week. So again, lots of options when it comes to your vacation here to Nassau. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet already. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.